Hey there teachers, let's take a look at the super review activities. Add this to any of your lessons and your students will be really engaged and have a ton of fun learning and reviewing any of the content you need to teach them. As you can see on the screen, there are a bunch of different super review activities that are available. For this demo video, I'll be using the Christmas themed edition to show you how these activities work. These activities are made on Google Slides and are completely editable. The only thing you need to do before using this with your students is enter your content into the slides. You can insert up to 32 different questions in each activity. You will insert your questions and the correct answers onto the slides like you see here in this video. You don't need to worry about anything else as the rest of the game and activity is all set up for you and ready to go. Once you've entered all the content you want your students to learn and review, it is now time to play. When using this, please feel free to add in your own ideas and you can make up your own rules that fits your class best. Before the activity begins, you can split your class into teams. Tell your students that the objective of the game is to earn as many stars as possible. In order to earn stars, the teams of students will have to answer questions correctly. And the way students give their answers is completely up to the teacher. If you want students to answer verbally, they can do that. Or perhaps they can write the answer on the board, or they can simply write it on paper. Once you're ready to play, please enter slideshow mode on Google Slides. You will begin on the question page, which is what you see on the screen here. The screen will show 32 different characters. Each one of these characters has a different question. The first team will decide and then call out which numbered character they wish to see. As the teacher, you can click on this yourself, or if you have a touchscreen or a smartboard in your classroom, feel free to choose a student to come up to the board and touch it themselves. This will take you to one of the questions. Click on the character on the screen to reveal the question. Each team will have to record their answers somewhere. For example, you can have students write this on paper. Once each team has written down their answer and you're ready to move on, you can click on the screen to reveal the correct answer. If the students answered incorrectly, they don't earn any stars, and you simply click on the red arrow in the top left corner to go back to the question page. However, if any of the teams did answer correctly, they do get to earn stars. Click on the yellow star in the top right corner to reveal how many stars the team earned. Students can earn anywhere between 1 and 4 stars for each correct answer. When ready to move on, click the red arrow in the bottom right corner, and this will take you back to the question page. From this point on, the activity follows the same exact pattern. A different team can choose the next numbered character to reveal the next question, and you repeat the same process. Please remember that you will have to keep track of the score on the whiteboard every time a team answers a question correctly to keep track of how many stars they earn. This is such an exciting and engaging activity to use with your students. You can use this for any content, and it can also be a great resource to use to help students prepare for an upcoming quiz or test. Your students will have a blast meeting all the new characters, collecting stars, and learning all at the same time. Try out the super review activities with your classroom, and I wish you and your students all the very best.